right in the face with that ball. Come on, Boo-Boo.
Fletcher, no, leave it.
Oh! Safe! Safe! Hi.
Close.
Kick that ball. Kick this.
Go! Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, sorry.
Oh!
Good job, Aiden. Woo!
Oh!
Not me, not me.
It's a goal! This is where I like lift up my shirt. I'm just kidding. Oh God, you're recording.
I know, but
Oh, it's okay. It popped. Thank you.
And go!
Here you go. Oh, good strong.
Oh, Trina, awesome.
he needs a cup.
And Aiden's the goalie.
Here you go.
Oh,
Oh, save! I scored and Aiden saved. I scored and Aiden saved. Duncan.
Then I gotta
Go,
go.
go, go! Go! Aiden, here it comes.
Ready?
Go!
Oh!
Oh!
You don't kick it.
No! Oh, I take it for granted. Granted.
Ready? Oh, good. Ready? Ready?
Let's see. Oh,
Did you kick that one, Aiden? Ewan?
No, that was me.
Aiden,
Oh,
come on,
please,
kiss me.
child.
It's like you had a face like you're even crack.
Okay, he's
You're
being
right
a
into my
goalie.
nose.
So hilarious. Oh, you missed it, Ewan. Try it again.
The goalie runs the forward away. Good job.
soccer. That's hilarious. Is that
But he might like it, actually.
Look at his face.
Whoa.
it's hilarious.
Save.
He's so good.
Yay.
Look at Megan. She's like, I'm so proud.
I am. Finally, there's one for me.
I can be a soccer grandmother.
Oh, I got it. Mom, can I see the
Look at him.
No, I'm taking pictures. Stop it. Okay?
Did you do video or is that all just...
Yes, I did. Can you please stop?
Scores! No, not a score.
Okay, block it, baby.
Sometimes it's genetics. It's tough. You get it from Trina or not. You must have skipped a generation.
Look at him. Like I told you it was a
Come on,
jock.
kick.
No, it's good. Good suggestion. Oh, someone lost their shoe.
Takes a certain instinct to be a goalie, too.
Good job, goalie.
All right.
Get it.
We
Yeah.
show
What?
you more how to score.
Oh, as long as they're nimble.
John and I were laughing when we played basketball. I'm like, wow, that's something really fun.
Power forward.
Oh, no.
Yes!
Somebody's gonna be the white Shaquille O'Neal.
Score!
Maybe you could be like a shooting guard.
No, I'm not familiar with
Oh, yeah.
basketball.
I don't know. We'll see how tall he gets.
It's my turn.
Let's see how tall he gets.
Oh, okay.
I know it'll be.
Ready? Ready, boo
It
boo?
helps to be
And
tall.
ready?
Ready? Get the ball. Get the ball. Ready? Here it comes. Ready? Hit it. Blowfish mode.
hair from yesterday. Wait.
I don't want that coming in the house.
And there's some on the ground too.
I know. It's because Daddy did it, and I asked him not to. He's just gonna roll in again, train.
Ready, goalie?
Ready?
Hit it. Get the ball.
Oh! Yeah!
Oh, careful.
Ewan, do not lean on it.
Aiden and I are destroying the goal.
Let's not.
Okay, that's not the point, okay?
Good job.
Don't score on yourself.
Oh, no.
Get a good flip, Aiden. I'm gonna kick it. Get your goal, face, Aiden.
Lock it, Boo.
Catch the ball. Get the ball.
Good job. Look at him dive on it. He's got good goalie instincts. That's crazy.
I wrestle with the ball and I get it.
Huh?
Go kick him see Stanford play.
Totally.
You have to change your game, Megan.
Stanford women just won their first national championship. This is their third year in the finals.
Come on. I'm just gonna be the goalie. I'm gonna kick it into the goal.
And the men aren't slouches, but the women are pretty good.
Into your face, Aiden. Go.
And then you can get rid of them every summer by sending them to soccer camp.
Then you can go, come on. They don't have soccer down here. Right.
Oh, stop it, goalie.
More into baseball.
Yeah.
Stanford baseball team's really good. If he wants baseball, I know. Oh,
I watch soccer, I can watch basketball.
you gotta kick it in. Gotta kick it in. Kick it in.
Bogglingly.
Oh, try again. Woo, good try. Oh, keep going, keep going.
Oh, I forgot my one.
Kick it.
Kick it down.
Oh, good job. Come on, follow up.
Go get it. Kick it.
Kick it again.
Kick it.
Kick it.
Go. In the goal. In the goal.
Yelling.
What?
He was playing with that.
I wanted to make a perfect goal. And you wanna try and catch it when you're a goalie?
Well, see, Ewan's got good foot movements there too.
Good job, goalie. Use your feet. Soccer, you don't use your hands. Only the goalie gets to use their hands. Oh, off the goalpost. Oh, good job.
Now, is soccer like hockey where if it goes in and then bounces back out, it's still a goal?
Yeah.
As long as it crosses.
Yeah, as long as, yeah, there's a line here. Hi, silly. I feel like me down here, this is the one where it ends up on YouTube where I get hit in the head.
Where? I don't remember anything.
Here, don't pull on the goal.
Oh, no.
There's always so they always put up a net
Watch the ball.
and in the net and everybody would free skate around the pond shooting hockey pucks out all day. People tasking getting stuck in the net, having hockey pucks
Use your feet.
all day long.
Aiden, watch out. The ball's coming. Get the goal, but get the ball. Good job.